Gold so far for the day struggled to break beyond 3400. We have seen it trying to break 3400 barrier, but there was a greater resistance offered at around 3396 3400 zone, while silver has also struggled at 3320. But on the downside, we have seen 3270 80 coming in at as a greater support. So what to expect today? Big day today. The FOMC, the Fed interest rate decision, definitely is going to drive the markets volatile. And what should be our strategy to profit with that? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold followed with silver. Watch till the end. If you see the movement in gold on the hourly chart, see after this great dip with the beginning of the day, you can see it is trading in a narrow zone. On the downside, we have seen support coming in at around 3270 3260 zone, 3370 3360 zone, which is definitely a greater resistance. And right now, when you see the movement here, the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average offering it a greater resistance on the upside. Also look, see here, it was the divergence in the moving averages. Now these have started to converge, which is not a good sign for the bulls, but at the same time we can see it getting support here on the downside. So now it is very important for gold to trade below 3270 60 zone, and then too, if it trades below this 3230 3210 3330 3310 is going to be the next support, which is going to remain a critical one. If you see the stochastic, this is rising. When you look at the MACD on the hourly charts, crossing over at the top, it is traded with divergence. It has seen a good dip, trying to converge, but there is lot much of downside still available. RSI is trading at a comfortable zone. Coming to 2 hour, now see on the 2 hour charts, red green red green red green, the complete movement is staggered here at around this zone. It is not willing to grow down and it is not willing to move up as well. Now the direction the current candle takes is going to be very important, and hence the closer of the current candle is you should watch out for. Also notice the 20 period offering it a very good support here. This is something you should watch out for, because once a candle closes below 20 period, that will be the beginning of the downtrend. Mark my words, if a candle on the 2 hour charts closes below the 20 period, that is 3270 3370 3360, we are ready for a down move, which should take it towards 3340 3320 zone, and in fact 3310 is also possible. Stochastic rising here. See the MACD, after a good rise, it is crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish here, looking downwards. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Another interesting thing to note here on the MACD is the top here. What we had seen here can get replicated here as well. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, the drop there, the retracement, and see lower highs trying to reverse. The preceding candle can become a reversal sign here. Yes, this candle will become the reversal sign. When the current candle trades below 3360, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. And then we will look forward to 3340 and in fact 3332. Below that, 3310 is also possible. Stochastic trying to rise. Now see the MACD, it is just on the verge of a crossover, which is a bearish sign here. And if you look at the move here, lower highs here, so possibly lower lows. Let's watch out. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, you can see this lower highs are there, lower lows are there. See, now look at the formation. One greater dip, slight retracement, reversal sign on the preceding two candles. Current one should be a symmetrical move, which suggests that the current price might with the current candle price might move towards 3360 3340 levels, and in fact we can see it moving all the way towards 3310 and lower as well. Possibility exists is strong. If you connect this, you can find out this is a nice flag formation here, and the lows here are well below 3200. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. Now, when you look at the daily chart, see, it is just trading in a zone, waiting for the Fed and waiting for it to take a direction. See, it has seen lower lows here, lower highs here, and suppose if it delivers lower lows, means it is possible that it can move towards 3300, and that should be the beginning of the reversal as well, from where the second bearish candle might arrive tomorrow, which is going to take it towards 3250 40, and below that it can continue with the down move towards the end of the week. Be mindful of this, very much possible, because on the weekly charts it is already trading slightly overbought. Stochastic rising here, MACD trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over. Certainly it is still trading on a bearish side, and the RSI is trading in a comfortable zone. So now, considering this, before I provide you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 32nd batch started this week, Monday, and the next batch is announced for the first week of June. Do not miss to register. Invest in your learning first, and then enjoy the profitable journey for life. Else, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And those who are looking forward to a broker, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now here, first let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at 3402. But I will say, as long as now yesterday's high, that is 3440, is not taken, it is going to be riskier. You should not treat this as bullish as long as 3440 is not taken. So yes, you can buy at 3402. I will say first resistance you should see is at around 34 12 14 zone. Then you can expect it to be at around 34 24 25 levels, and then towards 34 3840. And once 3440 is taken, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a greater rise, which is going to take gold all the way towards 34 56, 34 68, 34 84, and then 3500 levels. Possibility is there, though I think it is going to be difficult for gold to deliver such a rise. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 3380 levels, expected to drop towards 3370 first, 3360 second, and if it trades below 3360, the possibility will be very very high that we will see gold hitting 3346, 3332, then below that 3310, and then if it trades below 3310, 3280 levels should not be far below 3280. We are looking forward to 3250, 40, and below that a greater crash should be there. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. If you look at this movement here, see, first of all, the great wall here at 3320 30, very very strong. Then after that, drop retracement. It is trading under this retracement channel. As long as now 3310 3330 zone is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys here. The moving averages have crossed over on the sell side, and it is right now not showing the bearish move here. So thus, if you see it trading below 3270, that is the only level below which I will recommend a sell. But then to 3250 40 should be a greater support. Only and only if you see it is staying below 3250 40, you can take a sell, or you can consider this as bearish. Else it can bounce back. Stochastic rising, the MACD trading sharply bearish, the RSI is flat here. But that's just on the 30 minutes chart. Look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace towards 3310. Beyond 3310, 3330 is where the bulls are waiting. Else, do not treat this as bullish. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is flat. And the story is more or less same on the 2 hour charts. See, one bearish candle, consolidation, second bearish candle, retracement. So it could try to trade at best towards 3310, and from there it can drop again. But if it trades beyond 3310, you can initiate a buy, expect it to move towards 3330 and then 3350 60 zone. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD just crossing over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour, similar observation here on the 3 hour charts, drop, retracement, drop here, trading in this bearish channel. The current candle could be a red one, means see this first red candle, couple of retracement, once first breakout, second one could be the red candle here, which could take it towards 3260, 3240 zone. Stochastic has almost dropped to a comfortable zone now. While look at the moving averages on the verge of a crossover for sell. It is a bearish sign. RSI is flat. Coming to the 4 hour chart, look at the 4 hour charts here. Drop, retracement, drop, bigger drop here, and the next candle is going to be further bigger, it appears. And thus, if you see it is staying below 3280, you can take a sell. But then we have to watch out for 3250 40 zone, which should be a greater support here. Only and only if silver trades below 3240, you can expect more bearishness to prevail. Else, it is not yet bearish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is comfortable. Coming to daily chart, if you see the daily charts here, now on the daily charts, very important point to note, see it has shown a reversal. We have seen two strong bullish candle. It has come towards a zone where it has to decide the direction here. Now, any point of time, silver trading beyond 3360, I think you should just stay bullish from there. And what you can expect $34 levels if it stays above 3360 zone. Till 3360 is not taken, you have to be careful. Why you should be careful? Look at the movement here. What it is delivering. It is creating a nice bearish channel with lower highs and lower lows, and hence you have to be careful. And this is a nice flag. Now look at the broader term as well. See the highs here, and now see this. See this. This is the broader channel. Where are the lows? The lows are far below 28. stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to cross over for buy RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend possibly you can buy here at 33.10, but then it is going to be riskier. First target should be at around 33.25, 31st resistance very very strong, then 33.50 and 60. If silver breaches 33.60, stay bullish for 34, 34.50 and then $35 levels. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 32.80 levels itself. When you see the higher price below 32.80, take a sell, expect it to move towards 32.60, 32.40. If 32.40 is taken, stay short. We are looking forward to $32 levels, and below 32 it is going to crash towards 31.60, 31.20 levels. Let's watch out. The direction it takes today is going to be important one. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. See you again tomorrow with the Asian Europe session update. Thank you.